Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be more like a vlog type. Going to be sharing my tips and tricks on having a second job or maybe a third job. How can you move your schedule to accommodate all jobs, and what I did to handle that many jobs, if that makes any sense. I am going to be doing it in a vlog style just because that's how I did my other one. Since my other one went viral, basically, I have the most views, and a lot of people commented on that and have actually said that I should live my life more and I shouldn't be working that many jobs and blah blah blah. So here is the response to that type of video. That was filmed like almost 5 or 6 months ago, I believe. So yeah, I am about to do some things for my business, which I consider that my second job. Then I'm gonna go into more detail what my second job was on that video, because I did not tell you guys what was I doing. So I am going to go into a little bit more detail, not specifically where, but obviously because of COVID I don't have that job anymore. That period of time I had no days off. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of this parking lot because it's gonna get dark a lot. You guys, we made it. Well, my second job, obviously right now I have a full-time. So right now I have to be here an hour earlier than what I start. So I'm getting overtime. That's my full-time. And most of you guys know that if you follow me on social media, you know that I work at a hospital. I'm not gonna tell you which hospital I work at. Yeah, I work in the OR. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. My second job with that video, I was working at a gym. I'm a gym rat. So I love to work out. Fitness is part of my life. It's a lifestyle. I got that job working just the weekends. Was great, but it was non-stop. Like, I had no days off, no time, no sleep, but I got out a little bit earlier. So what I did with my time and how I accommodated myself in laundry. So what I did on Fridays, I did laundry Friday night. That saved me throughout the whole entire week because I do laundries now on Fridays. The second tip I would say, if you're getting a part-time, if you have a full-time already, if you're getting a part-time, make sure you're working less hours. The less hours you work, the better for you, because you're gonna have more time to rest, if that makes any sense. You know what I mean? You don't want to work a second job that is full-time. You don't want to do that. You're gonna be exhausted. You cannot do that. Some people said on that video said that live your life. Okay, first of all, I have went out, I had enjoyed myself. I don't care so much to go out anymore. My mindset right now is just to make money. If I can make money in any way, shape, or form that I can, I will. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, if you're out here trying to get a second job because you want to get money, go for it, girl. Don't let anybody tell you, no, you need to live your life, you need to do this, you need to do that. No, absolutely not. That was my second job. There was a point that I was working 3 jobs. This was last year. I was working full-time at a warehouse. My eyelash is like messed up. There's one point that I was working at a warehouse full-time, and I also was bartending at night. So that's the second one. And then, if you guys know me, I was doing personal training. I was taking classes for that. I was doing all of that. At the moment, I'm not taking classes to be certified because of all the stuff I have going on. At the moment, I really don't have time. I was doing personal training. I was doing one-on-one personal trainings. I was selling personal training guides in 2019. So I was doing that. I was bartending on the weekends from 6 p.m. to 4 o'clock in the morning, almost 5. And I was doing a full-time. So that's 3 jobs. What I would say, if you want to get a third or second job, try to get something on the weekends with less hours, less time, something that is not gonna wear you out. Like my second job working at the gym was not even a job. I loved going there, even though I was tired, I was exhausted, I was getting paid every week. Like that's the benefits of like having multiple jobs. You wouldn't have to worry about getting paid in 2 weeks. You would be getting paid weekly, if that makes any sense. My preference was to work somewhere where it didn't feel like I had to work. You know what I mean? To be completely honest, I had to make commission. Like I had to be on the phone. I had to sell renewals. So I was paid on commission as well. So whenever somebody came in to do a renewal, I get a percentage out of that. Me having a second job at the gym was like my other home. Like that's what I called it. I didn't call it my job because I enjoyed it. It was something that I loved. Like I love being at the gym. So, and now that I had a job at the gym, I was like, what? This is great. The benefits of it was I could go any gym that I wanted to. I could go anywhere throughout the valley, even outside of state, for free, and bring an extra person with me for free. That was like, oh my God, that is like perfect. Like, why wouldn't people be doing this? And me, in my mindset, I was like, yes, why not? Sign me up, yes. But my only thing was that I told my manager, I was like, I only could work 2 days. Like I can only work Saturday and Sunday. I cannot work more than that. They were saying like, I don't know if you'll be able to do that, like corporate and this and that. They want you to have more hours on your paycheck, blah, blah, blah. Would you be able to like do more hours on Fridays? Maybe. I was like, yeah, why not? So there was times that I did that and I was so tired. And then there was times where on the weekends I stayed over because people either called off, didn't show up, or something like that, which I didn't mind because like I said, it was something that I enjoyed doing. That was my second job in that video. And then my full time. I get off at an earlier time now where I'm free to do whatever. So now that I have my business and my business like kicking up and stuff, it's pointless for me to have a second job right now because I wouldn't be able to focus on my business, on YouTube, or anything like that. I consider YouTube a third job or another job because, hey guys, so I was trying to hop in and actually explain this part about YouTube. Like I do consider YouTube a job because it takes a lot of my time. YouTube is a lot of work. Nobody can actually start up a YouTube and stay consistent. There was a point where I was getting paid from YouTube, but I never took it that serious. There's sometimes you have to reply to emails. A lot of people are trying to reach out to me for me to work for them or talk about a review, but I don't work with a lot of people just because I don't use their product. I'm not about to make money out of a YouTube video that I don't use at all. Like, that is not me. That would never be me. I would never share something that I don't use properly. Yeah, and then my business is another job within itself because a lot of vendors, a lot of photographers schedule photographies, upload launch dates, website, upload pictures, make sure everything is on time, check with your vendor to make sure your items are here on time. When are you going to be launching these? I do all this by myself. Photo shoots by myself. I sometimes do the photos by myself too because the photographer that I was going to use, he's going to be out in California, so I would have to do it by myself, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of things that goes into owning a business than just consistency, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you guys want me to do a separate video on just business stuff, just let me know because I mean, I've been having my business for a little bit, but recently it's just started to like kick in because I've been staying consistent and launching products out. So yeah, if you guys want me to do a video on that, I will. I'm gonna go. I'm done talking and popping into this video because I just wanted to clear some things out before I upload the video. So peace. So I do consider YouTube another job, but at the moment I don't honestly, I don't see it as a job because it's something that I love doing. I upload every Sunday, and sometimes throughout the week I throw an extra video, you know, and I try to make sure I film on Saturdays. So I try to film like 2 to 3 videos. Also, I am a mom. I'm a single mom. So I try not to work on YouTube videos, my business, or anything like that throughout the week because my daughter is homeschooled right now. So she started homeschool at home, and I'm teaching her pre-kinder at home. That's like takes a lot of my time. And then when I get home, I like quiz her, or like I go over her homework, because obviously my mom is helping me with that. Thank goodness for her, because if not, I don't know who would be able to do it, because obviously I do have to get up and go to work in the mornings. Other thing I would say, make sure you don't listen to anybody and everybody. Like, if you want to get a second job, go ahead and do it. If you want to get a third job, go ahead. Like, do you. Money over everything. You would have time to do whatever you want later on. I'm in a stage right now where I just want to create content for you guys and put out my brand a little bit more. So that's why I'm doing the things that I'm doing. Like right now, I'm getting cash out so I can pay the lady that is doing my embroidery. So she's part of my team. I don't have a full team yet. I think that would be for another video, like a startup business or something like that, if you guys want me to share some tips and tricks, because I want people to win out here. I want people to create their own stuff. I want people to their own business, work for themselves, because let me tell you something, I do not see myself working for a company for a long time. Like, I do not, that's not the vision that I have in my head. Like, I'm literally manifesting my life in advance, you know what I mean? So I don't see myself working a 9 to 5 forever. That's not something that I want to do. I don't want to work for somebody else. Like, the point for this video is to let you guys know that it's okay to have a second job, third job, whatever. Just make sure you do something that is easier and that you're going to enjoy. Do whatever you want. In this life right now, you can do whatever you put your mind to, like, to be completely honest. Other than that, yeah, I've worked so many jobs, and right now my time is very limited, but it's all for a purpose. I'm working towards something, and the harder you work, the better for you in the future, you know what I mean? Running a little bit late. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Don't come at me for this lash, because I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Bye.